Let me give you just a few hints and details regarding my Patreon page, which is called STEM Abilities. And basically, I have added many videos, and these videos are collected into several collections, and these collections are basically courses. So you can see, for example, that I have uploaded this course called Random Signals and Fatigue Damage, which contains a series of lectures from 1 to the number of lectures. There are 31 posts, which are basically lectures, and there are other courses, so on fatigue damage, on QFT and path integrals, general relativity, special relativity, string theory, quantum field theory, quantum mechanics, and there is also one on the derivation of quantum mechanics from quantum field theory, which is actually something that they have never published elsewhere, whereas these other courses are also published on other platforms. And it's possible that the order of the videos is slightly different, and I have arranged them in a different manner. There are different lectures, and in the future it is possible that I will continue editing these videos and add more lectures, more courses. So this is basically something that's still progressing, and I don't know where this can go, but hopefully I will be able to upload more content, material and courses and so on. Here, I'm also trying to find a way to publish some graphical user interfaces which are related to this course on random signals, which is something that I have carried out my PhD on, and it is something that I'm not sure that I will publish. I want to see if it is possible because there are some licenses behind this, and it's still a draft basically. And you can learn more about the reason why I started creating videos on Patreon here. It's related to my passion on mathematics and physics, especially physics here. And that's it. Basically, this is just a rough overview, which can hopefully guide you to watching the videos.